As artificial intelligence embeds itself deeper into daily life, educators face a very real anxiety. It's the fear that generative AI will bypass the hard work, stripping away student creativity and their authentic voice by doing the thinking for them. Attempting to lock these tools out of the classroom is a futile strategy. Today's students require high-level AI literacy to navigate the modern workforce and use emerging technologies safely. Solving this requires restructuring classroom assignments until passive automation becomes impossible. Project-based learning, or PBL, provides the necessary format shift. Moving from rote memorization toward complex, student-centered projects demands a process of authentic inquiry and creation. To guide how students interact with AI during these projects, educators can rely on the Digital Promise AI Literacy Framework. It's built on 3 interlocking pillars: understand and use, evaluate, and use technology. Pairing PBL with this framework transforms AI from a shortcut into an amplifier of student effort. In the first pillar, understand and use, students treat platforms like Gemini as intelligent sounding boards for brainstorming rather than ghostwriters for final scripts. Take a middle school science class tackling sustainable development. A student can prompt an AI to break down the complex mechanics of renewable energy into clear, kid-friendly language. The responsibility remains with the student. They must take that simplified data and use it to outline and draft their own original script for an explainer video. This approach accelerates foundational comprehension. Students grasp difficult concepts faster while maintaining their own authentic voice in the final output. The second pillar, evaluate, centers on critical analysis and digital skepticism. Students must learn to confront the reality that AI platforms frequently carry bias or present hallucinations as facts. A high school history teacher might lean into this by instructing students to use ChatGPT to generate a summary of a major historical event. The real work begins after the text appears. Students act as forensic editors, cross-referencing that AI output against reliable primary sources to hunt down inaccuracies, missing perspectives, and hidden biases. Intentionally exposing these flaws forces students into higher-order critical thinking. They transition from passive readers into active, rigorous fact-checkers. The final pillar, use technology, distinguishes between pure AI generation and AI-empowered tools, media applications enhanced with smart features to assist the creator. As the framework suggests, Descript demystifies editing. Students edit video files just by deleting text in a document, easily removing filler words. Similarly, Adobe Express provides built-in guardrails for generative prompts, allowing K-12 learners to safely generate high-quality visual assets for their projects. These empowered apps allow students to execute like real-world digital creators. They elevate the professional quality of their work without faking the underlying knowledge. While AI tools bring incredible polish to student work, a professional-looking project is a secondary goal. The real priority is the quality of the learning experience itself. True knowledge retention is built during the productive struggle. It's the messy mental friction of solving problems and making original connections that builds genuine confidence. If AI removes this struggle entirely, the educational value of the project evaporates, regardless of how flawless the final video appears. AI should be used to sharpen human thinking by clearing away tedious roadblocks, rather than bypassing the necessary friction of learning. Embedding the AI literacy framework within PBL allows educators to evaluate a student's ongoing process, their decision-making, and their critical analysis, rather than just grading a final artifact. These tools serve a purpose far beyond improving digital aesthetics or speeding up school workflows. Intentional AI integration cultivates wiser, more capable digital citizens who are prepared to steer technology for the greater good.